Hi there, my name is Miles. Thank you for joining us today. I have a special guest with us this afternoon, Charlotte. She'll be showing us how to make breakfast tacos. It's very, very simple. The most complex part about it is just a pancake. It's just a regular pancake with extra egg, just to give you that little bit of stringiness, or the elasticity. I'll put the recipe in the bottom, and then we can go from there. Anyway, Charlotte, do you want to show them how to make the tacos?
Sure.
Sure, so what do we do? We start with this, yeah? What do we put at the bottom?
You put the brownies.
Let's put some brownies on top of it. Okay, brownies, yeah. So it's almost like a sweet taco as opposed to savory taco. Look, you can pretend it's the meat, like the ground beef. It's actually brownies, right? Then what goes after that, Charlotte?
You put the coconut.
The coconut, yeah. Okay. So is this supposed to be like cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. What goes next?
The thin sliced
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
These, by the way, are is it Jones Farm? This is from the Jones Farm. Thank you very much for these. These are really lovely. It's local. Okay. Put some too. Now, do you have this all the time for breakfast?
No.
No, just sometimes.
Yeah.
Like 3 times a week.
Yeah.
3 times a week. She has it 3 times a week, guys. That's not much at all. Charlotte's very new to the camera, so she's adjusting to it. Okay, so what goes next?
The big strawberries.
The big strawberries. Again, have a look at these strawberries, guys. They're very, very plump and juicy. Okay, let's put them on top. How many you put? 3?
3.
What happens if we put 4?
It's even sweeter.
Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. Perfect. And I guess the whipped cream is all we have left, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
So come guys, have a look before you wrap it and take a bite on it. Looks pretty good. I'd have that for breakfast. And that was super quick, wasn't it?
Yes, and then you add sprinkles for like decoration.
Okay, you had sprinkles for decoration. So it's like color to it. Look at that. Ooh. There we go. Okay. Let's go for a bite. What are we trying, Charlotte? Ready?
Yeah.
Breakfast. That's actually pretty good. Yeah? And you really have this 3 times a week? My God, you're a lucky girl. Alright guys, thank you for joining us. We hope you like this when you make it. And maybe we'll see you next week. Have a good day. Bye-bye.